Hi everyone, my name is Srinivas. I'm having 8 years of experience in software industry as a cloud data engineer. So I just want to explain you guys about the Azure data engineering courses. So from today to till 30 days, I'm going to explain you about the ADF and SQL, and the next 30 days I'm going to explain ADF and Databricks and Synapse. So in order to practice these Azure services, we need one Azure Free Trial account. So I have created one dummy Gmail account and I am going to link that Gmail with Azure. Okay. So that free trial account is going to credit with 200 USD. So we need one unique email ID, phone number, and we need a debit or credit card, and we need to enable international transaction for this. So now open Google and type free trial Azure account. Okay. So we can click on that first link, create your Azure free account, try Azure for free, and it will navigate to this website portal.azure account. Now we need to create one Microsoft account. So I already created one Gmail account. So I'm just giving the same email ID over here. Okay, it will send an verification email to my Gmail. So I just copied this number and pasted over there. And I'm going to fill all the details what it is going to ask, and I already used my debit card for my previous Microsoft account. So it came like you are not eligible for Azure free trial account. So I'm going to use my another debit card for this. So if you face the same, please use another debit card. Okay, I'm using the another debit card and I'm giving my OTP over here. Now it will navigate to my Azure free trial account. Okay, so it might ask to start, click on the start to get 200 USD sometimes. So please click on that start bar. So it got redirected to my Azure free trial account. Now I need to create a subscription. So the subscription before it should be like a inactive state. So now it should be in an active state. So go to subscription. Yeah. So here we can able to see like it's in an active state. Okay. This needs to get be an active. So after that we need to create a resource group. Go to the main page and click on create a resource, or else you can navigate to resource group. For any service, if you want to create, it will ask like a resource group, so we are creating it first. So it got linked with to my subscription. Okay, and I'm going to select my region as well for the same. I selected my region as Central India, and we can able to give the tags. And click on review plus create, and we can create that. Now I'm going to create a storage account. Go to Azure main page and click search for storage account and click on create. Okay, so I'll click on the create. It will ask to give the storage account name and the resource group name and preferred storage type, and select how I selected in my free trial account. So here I'm going to select like LRS, so low redundancy zone. So I will say what is the difference between LRS and ZRS and GRS. So assume our data center is like Hyderabad data center, and the backup is also situated in the Hyderabad itself, the same region. So this is the south zone, right? So our backup of Hyderabad data center is located in Hyderabad itself in the south zone. If the backup is located in the same area, so then we will call it as like an LRS. So in the north zone, we will have assume like the data center is located in the Delhi. Okay, so that would be like a zone redundancy center. So it is like a ZRS. So if the backup of that Hyderabad is located in Delhi, then it should we can select like ZRS. And if the backup and the whole south zone and north zone will come under the Indian data center, right? So if the backup of Indian data center is presented in the US, so we can keep that like a GRS, geolocation center, GRS. Okay, so that's the difference between LRS, ZRS, and GRS. So here we are selecting as an LRS. So that would be a cost effective one. And we also should enable hierarchical namespace. Okay. And we need to click on review plus create. And it will show like deployment in progress. And after some time, it will show like deployment got completed. So we have created one storage account. Okay. Now we are going to create a SQL database in Azure. Okay. Now search SQL database over here and select free SQL database. Azure free. Click on create and select that free trial one. That would be cost effective and it won't charge. So give the database name and select the resource group and please create on the server as well. So click on create one and click on the server, new server for the respective database, and select the authentication. So you can use the username and password for this. I have created my username and password, and I am selecting my location as a Central India. It will show deployment in progress after selecting the create option, and the deployment got completed after some time. Okay, so I'm going to create Azure Data Factory service now. So search for Azure Data Factory and select on the create option. So it is a cloud-based ETL tool, UI-based ETL tool. Please select the name, region, and the resource group. And go on review plus create. So it will select like deployment in progress and it got created. So today we have created a subscription resource group, Azure SQL service, Azure storage account, and Azure data factory. So 5 services were created in Azure, in our Azure account. Okay, so this Azure data factory is a UI based ETL tool, so we can able to extract, transform, and load the data. Simply we can drag and drop. It's a very simple ETL tool, so we can learn within few days, like within 5 to 10 days. Okay, so there were few activities, we call here it as an activities. It's a copy activity, we just drag and we can delete. If we want to delete, uh, we can drag. So we can schedule the pipeline, we can create the pipeline, and we can transform the data or ingest the data using this Azure data factory. So from tomorrow onwards we can able to learn the Azure data factory, and we will link our SQL service with the SQL server. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe to my channel as well to learn more. Thank you.